Hello learners, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about nouns, one of the most important part of English grammar. Here's what we will cover today. What is noun? Noun as a name of a person, noun as a name of a place, noun as a name of a thing, noun as a name of an animal, and noun as a name of an idea. Till the end of this video, you will know what is a noun. You will be able to identify the examples of noun, and at the end of the video, we will have a fun activity. So let's begin the journey. The first thing that we will come across while reading a noun is, what is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, animal, or an idea. Noun can be concrete, abstract, common, and proper. Now here we are seeing that a noun can be the name of a person. For example, girl, doctor, or Albert. Girl and doctor are common nouns because they are general names. Albert is a proper noun because it is a specific name. So any name we use for a person is called a noun. Now here we can see that a noun can be used as the name of a place, like mountains, school, Rizal Park. Mountain and school are common nouns because they are general names of place. Rizal Park is a proper noun because it is a specific place. So any name of a place is called a noun. Here we can see a noun can also be the name of a thing. For example, book, sunflower, car. These are all things that we can see and touch, so they are called concrete nouns. So any name of an object or thing is called a noun. A noun can also be the name of an animal. For example, dog, sphinx, bird. Dog and bird are common nouns because they are general names of animal. Sphinx is a proper noun because it is a specific name of a type of cat. So any name of an animal is called a noun. The last but not the least, a noun can also be the name of an idea, like love, friendship, Christianity. These are things we cannot see or touch, so they are called abstract nouns. They are feelings, beliefs, or concepts. So any name of an idea is called a noun. So now let's do this activity. Find the nouns in the sentences. My grandpa bought a pizza for the family. Can you find the noun? You will find all the answers in the first comment of this video. The second sentence is, two elephants crossed the road. The third sentence is, I have 3 pencils and 2 ball pens. The fourth one is, the countries achieved peace without war. And the final, fifth one is, Anika has 3 cats and 4 dogs. If you have come this far in this video, thank you for watching it. Subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.